Okay, top 5 sneaker hacks that you need to know. Straight up, there are things that just make your whole experience with wearing your sneakers better. And there are a lot of people that take the lazy route. Don't be lazy. Don't just take your shoes out of the box, unlace them, put them on your feet, and just go. Okay, I'm gonna start here because I just got these black toe lows. And I wanna say this, you may disagree. Matching the laces to the color of the tongue on the sneaker gives you the cleanest look. Now, am I saying you should not do any lace swaps or anything like that? No, have fun with it. Of course, I do lace swaps, but if you want a clean look, the key word, a clean look, you match the tongue color always. These black toes came with red laces in there as the default, implying, hey, lace these red laces up. And it doesn't look bad. It'll bring out the red accents on this sneaker, but the cleanest look, in my opinion, is the black laces. Think about this as the base. White sneakers, almost 90% of the time, white laces look the best in them. How clean does that look right there on these dunks? It's a good rule of thumb if you're undecided. By the way, these are a mix of tips and hacks. They're kind of one and the same in my opinion. Okay, next up, when you buy a brand new pair of sneakers, as you know, there is a size tag on the insole. This is just for Jordans and Nikes, but it's a sticker, and it lets you know what size the shoe is. You have to remove that sticker immediately. If you let it sit in there and then take it out after you've worn it for a couple weeks, it's gonna leave a mark, and you're gonna see it every single time that you put on that shoe. Dirt from the bottom of your foot gets on the insole, and then when you take that sticker off, it's clean. It never goes away. So the first thing you gotta do is take off that sticker, but how do you do it? You could stick a knife under there and lift the sticker up. No, not always, because sometimes that knife will grab a thread on the insole and just make a mess. There are times when I can't get this sticker off. So here's the hack. You're gonna use the tip of the laces, and for some reason, it gets right underneath that sticker so easily. You know, it is literally taking off a sticker, so it's not rocket science, but for some reason, the lace tip is the most convenient. Just take it off, just like that. And it's always easier when the insole can come out. If it can't, the lace gets right up in there very easily. Number 3, and by the way, I just got these P6000s, a super underrated Nike model that you can get for like $100 right now. I'll link it for you guys down in the description. I really like these a lot, and they just happen to serve as a good example for all of these tips and hacks. As you can probably see, these shoes come with a rope lace, and a lot of times laces like this come wrinkled. They don't look smooth. Can you see the bumps and the wrinkles on these laces? They just don't, it's not straight like a flat lace is. So here's the hack, and it takes less than a minute. Don't be lazy. Hold the laces like this. Grab your steamer, because you're gonna steam your outfit, right? You're not gonna step out of the house with wrinkles on. No, you're gonna steam your whole outfit, and you're also going to steam these laces. And that is gonna take most of the dimples and the wrinkles out of the laces, and they're gonna sit properly on your shoe. It's not gonna be some crazy Dumbo ear on the left and then something weird on the right. No, it's gonna make it smooth. They're gonna sit how they should sit, and it's a nice little trick. Okay, number 4, let's talk about sizing real quick. I don't know if any of you have noticed, but it feels like Nike and Jordans are running a little bit more snug than they used to. On top of that, as I get older, my foot is starting to expand a little bit. So the best sizing tip that I can give you is, if you're normally between sizes, go up. If it's a shoe that you plan on wearing and keeping for a while, go up. Now, our feet are different. Mine are slightly wide, yours could be narrow. Everyone's feet are different, but there are very rare circumstances nowadays that I am going down a half a size on my sneakers. More room is more friendly for your feet. Why would you want to pinch your toes? It just doesn't make sense to me, and that is coming from a guy that has 200 plus pairs of sneakers, and a lot of them fit tight on my foot. So I'm kind of at that point where, why do I want to keep something that I can wear for like an hour or two without it feeling painful? Okay, and before we get into number 5, if you like men's fashion, clothing and sneakers, you like both, you enjoy putting on a nice outfit and stepping out into public wearing your sneakers, make sure you subscribe. So you get in a fresh pair of sneakers, you open the box, you take the time to lace them up perfectly, no dimples in your laces, you take out that paper on the inside. And what do you do with it? You're putting the shoes on feet. So a lot of times people just throw these away. That is a mistake. Keep the paper in the box. And when you're not wearing these, put them back in. It keeps the structure of the sneaker solid, especially on the toe box there, whether it's leather or suede. Put the original paper back in there. I know that a lot of you just have a pile of that paper somewhere. It's just maybe in your trash, or they get misplaced. Put them back in the box so that when you put the sneaker back in the box, you see them and you have no choice but to put them back in there. Trust me, longevity of your shoes, that's a must. So if you have any hacks or tips of your own, leave them down in the comment section. Go check out some of my other videos and hit that thumbs up before you get out of here. That's it from me though. I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.